Good evening. Today we are going to learn applied chemistry practical. That is from the laboratory manual. We are going to refer this book for performing the practicals. Subject code is 22202. This is a common for the mechanical as well as the civil branches. This is your first page of the manual. This is the certificate page. Today we are going to perform practical number 1, that is a percentage of iron in a ore. What is meaning of the ore? A naturally occurring substance in which it contains metal in a larger quantity, that is called as a ore. We are going to extract metal from the ores. So when the diploma engineers have to work in an industry, they have to learn different extraction process, how to remove pure metal from the ore. That is called as a metal extraction or metallurgy. But before extraction, we must know how much metal or the iron is present in a given ore. Then only we will perform the extraction. What is meaning of that? If the ore sample is containing higher percentage of metal, then we are going to perform the extraction. If it is containing only 1-2 percentage of the iron, it is really difficult to determine or remove the impurities from the ore and to get a pure metal. Program outcomes are: we must know the basic knowledge of the mathematics, science and engineering to solve the problems. Experiment, how to perform the experiment, that we are going to learn. How we are going to perform in a teamwork. In this we are going to develop the measuring skill, handling of glassware as well as how to perform the calculation. The minimum theoretical background we must be know. What is that? Hematite. What is the hematite? It is a ore of iron. Means it is containing the iron metal. So in this ore we are going to determine how much iron is present. We are performing practicals to determine what is present and how much it is present. So in this ore we are going to determine how much iron is present. But iron ore is a solid form, so it is really difficult to determine their content. So how we are going to do? We are going to dissolve in a acid and convert it into the soluble solution form. So we require dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4 for dissolving the ore. The reducing agent is used to convert Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus is metallic zinc or stannous chloride, and we are going to determine how much Fe2 plus is present in a given solution by doing a titration with a KMnO4. What is meaning of the titration? We are going to react the given solution with a standard solution, and we are going to determine at what point the whole reaction is completed. In a titration process, we will observe the color change. This is called as a burette. It is having a marking. In this, we are going to fill 0.01 normal KMnO4. This is the burette stand. In this conical flask, we are going to take ore samples and we will observe how the color changes take place. These are the resources required to perform the practicals. First, we are going to do a standardization of KMnO4 by using a 0.1 normal KMnO4. Means what? जो भी KMnO4 हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं टाइट्रेशन में, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है वो हम लोगों को पता है. Then only we can determine the percentage of iron. So first we are going to determine strength of KMnO4. Then we are going to determine percentage of iron. How to do? First we are going to fill the burette with KMnO4 solution. And then we are taking a 10 ml of sample solution in a conical flask and 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a conical flask. After that, we are going to perform the titration. So we are adding KMnO4 drop-wise till pink color is appear. We will see this chart. We will see the YouTube and see. This is called as a burette. In the first one, we will see We already taken a sample solution. Now we are adding a 10 ml of acid. In this reaction KMnO4 is a self indicator, so we are not adding any external indicator. So in the titration we are going to put a burette with a standard solution. We are going to fill burette solution from the top of this, and it is having a marking as well as it is having a knob, and we are going to fill burette solution added drop by drop to the conical flask till what? Till the color is changes. See, initially color is blue, but when we are adding here, we are added small amount of KMnO4 or the burette solution, still color is blue, but when the reaction is completed, its a pink color is obtained. So we will say that it is a final reading, reaction is completed. This is an actual process when we are using a KMnO4 titration. This is a burette. In this I already fill a KMnO4. How to fill KMnO4 I show you in a water hardness practical. After that we are going to add this purple color solution in a conical flask. Conical flask we already taken 10 ml of metallic ion sample solution plus 10 ml of H2SO4. So that is a colorless solution. And when we are adding KMnO4, as KMnO4 is a purple color, it should be after adding 1-2 drops, this conical flask solution be ideally changes a color, but that will not happen. Why? Because whatever the ion present in this conical flask, that is going to consume that KMnO4, and when ion capacity is finished, KMnO4 it changes the color. So whatever the quantity of KMnO4 required, that is the equivalent to the percentage of ion. These are the procedure we are going to follow. First, we are going to fill the conical flask with a 10 ml sample solution, burette with a KMnO4. External indicator we are not going to add. End point means what? When we are not adding KMnO4, colorless solution is there, and when the reaction is completed, it is changes to light pink. And the point where the solution changes color to the light pink, that is called as end point. We are using that reading for the calculation. These are two observation table for the standardization and a determination of percentage of ion. We are going to take 3 readings and we are going to make an average of this. That average is used for the calculation. Here I shown you calculation, and from this calculation we will see that the given hematite ore is containing the 48.16 percentage of iron. What is the 56? It's a molecular weight of iron. So accordingly we are going to do a calculation. You are going to note down this calculation in your notebook. These are the practical related questions I already shared with you. Or if you have, means what? Write the procedure to dissolve the iron ore. We are going to dissolve iron ore with using dilute HCl and H2SO4. Name the reducing agent used in the above titration. We are using the zinc granule to reduce it. Name the various ores of iron. We are using hematite, magnetite, ores of iron. So class, see this experiment carefully and write down in your manuals. Thank you so much.